leaving the legs on plus the foot means 5 points of contact in the net. And as you saw, I mean, it was very inconsequential. I really don't think any of the legs or the foot will suffer a structural failure after it impacts the net. Colin, if you shift over here and look at the distance from here, you've obviously cut these verticals with plenty of extra space. And actually, I mean, this is about as far as the drone can physically get down. It's stopped at about the swash plates. Otherwise, it's in one bit of netting. Even if this net fails and it starts to expand out, it's not going to break all of these net components. That's another huge reason that leaving the legs on is probably a better deal. If we just had a tube, if the net broke, as you can see it fits in, it would continue to go down. And we've got more than enough room here. There's a bit of tensegrity in this design where one part is supporting the other, and I think that's the way to go.